how do you do the fractions of your colors? So this is a smaller version of what you did in your big pictures. But this is out of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. Out of 15 squares, what is the percentage of my color? So I have 3 different colors here. I have green, I have brown, and I have white. So what fraction are my colors? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 15ths are green. 1, 2, 3 15ths are brown. And then I have one more, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4 15ths, which are going to be white. So 4 out of 15 are going to be white. And that's how you would do your color fractions.